everybody. It's about 10:30 a.m. on Tuesday, October the 3rd. Tuesday, October the 3rd, 2023, and I just got back from walking my 4 miles, so I came down to the trailer to check on Steven. Steven, you've been down here for a couple hours while I've been walking or so. What's happened in the time frame that I have been absent? What have you been able to accomplish?
You know, I put on the ABS module, and now I gotta get this service light to work.
Oh, bless you.
Me. So you're the one I'm allergic to, huh? As soon as you walked up, I started sneezing.
Oh, clever. Clever, clever. So you haven't had a way of testing whether the ABS works or not, right?
I can hear it cycling. So that's one thing. But this light here has to be working. The service light has to work or you will be put out of service. Because even though I know that it's working by cycling, DOT has to know it's working by the service light working. So if the service light does not work, you will be put out of service.
And all that light is all connected to the ABS, right?
That's correct.
Oh, you got a manual there?
No, I don't have a manual. This is for the new wiring plugs. For the plugs.
Okay.
So I'm not familiar with using these plugs, so it does have a cheat sheet to show you how to put these plugs together. I would rather use a plug here than use splices.
Of course.
So that's what this is. It's a diagram on how to build these plugs.
Oh, okay.
Once you get used to it, you won't have to look at this no more. But I'm not used to it. I've only used it once.
Right. Well, at least you know how to read manuals like that. That type of manual intimidates me. Anything instructions on how to do something mechanical or electrical or whatever, it's always very intimidating to me. Because even though I can read, obviously, it's one thing to read the words, but it's another thing to understand it. So that would be as good as Greek to me. Oh, I guess you're going to have to put some new tape up here, right? Some new reflective tape. I just now noticed that. Could you get shut down for this?
There's enough on it not to worry about it.
Huh.
I mean, if they wanted to be real pricks, they could.
Well, I regret not having the opportunity yesterday to see you take the tires off and put them back on. I regret not having that opportunity. Although we have filmed you taking tires off and putting them back on. We have filmed you doing that. There's plenty of videos on our channel regarding that. So after you do that, are you going to do a test run?
All that, the tires are jacked up. I got them jacked up on purpose so I can spin them to make sure that everything's operating correctly.
Oh, okay. So you don't actually have to get out there and...
No, I don't have to take it anywhere. I would take it somewhere. I would drive it, but since my tools are all strung out all over the place, and it'd take me an hour just to pick up my tools, order to drive it, I'd rather just jack it up and spin the tires.
Okay, well that makes sense. That will work too. So I managed to get my full 4 miles in, so I'm feeling really good about that I walked 4 miles. That every bit helps.
Yep, it helps. And what is it helping?
Keeping the weight off and building up endurance and staying healthy.
Oh, okay, very good. The problem I'm having now is a mosquito keeps trying to bite my ear while my hands are full. It's amazing how an unintelligent mosquito is so intelligent. They wait until both of your hands are occupied, then they bite you on the ear.